Hi.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
It's good to hear. I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. My name's Heidi. What's your name?
Heidi, my name is Irfan.
Very nice to meet you, Irfan. I think this is the first time we have talked before.
Yeah.
Okay, so where are you from?
Okay, I'm from India. Yeah, I'm 19 years old. Yeah,
Oh, wow, that's cool. You're from India. You're 19 years old.
yeah,
Are you living in India right now?
yeah. I'm living in India.
Wow, that's cool. I have a few students from India. I
Okay,
don't know the exact city, but they're from India.
okay. And you're from?
I am from America,
Okay,
but I am originally Mexican American.
okay. Mexican is where is Mexico actually? I don't know. In Thailand?
Mexico is under America. It's the U.S. under it's
Mhm.
Mexico.
Okay.
We share borders.
Okay, so it is also one of the state of United States, right?
I was born in the U.S.,
Mm-hmm.
but Mexico is a different country.
Okay.
Yeah,
So I have seen there you are freelancer, right?
yeah. I'm a freelancer and I teach English online.
Okay. So, uh, are you getting some projects or what? Like freelancing means, right?
Correct. That is
Yeah.
correct. Yeah,
So what you
actually,
do?
I have I had two businesses, but
Okay.
because of coronavirus, I closed one. And
Okay.
second, which is dog food. We sell a natural alternative for
Okay.
dogs
Okay.
and cats.
Okay.
Hmm.
So you are like from where are you getting that food? You have company, you have industries, something like that.
Oh no, actually, we fabricate our own food. Like we have veterinarians that work with us. We have a nutritionist, and we have people who do the labor work. So we
Okay.
produce our own food. We only have people who provide us with the chicken and the, but for
Okay.
most part, we do everything.
Okay. So you are a big businessman, we can say, right?
Hopefully soon. Right now,
So
it's still it's only in our country, but I hope it can go abroad soon.
okay. So how you will introduce that stuff to the other world? How?
To this type of food.
Yeah. So what is
First,
special about food that you can say to the world that you should buy it, right?
yeah, actually, the reason why, because I love dogs.
Mhm.
I love. I have three dogs. They're my babies,
Oh, I know.
and one of my dogs died because of dog food kibble.
Ah, okay.
And their veterinarian ran tests, blood tests, and then he told me it's
Mhm.
because of the toxins that dog food has. It's
Okay.
really bad for the dog.
Mhm.
And I was surprised because they're expensive. And I said,
Mhm.
wow, how? It's dog food. So that's when I started my own project. I looked up veterinarians, my friends. I started asking people for help.
Mhm.
And I decided I took a course for dog food, natural. It's raw.
Okay.
You
Okay.
know the word raw?
Right. Yeah.
Raw? Raw dog food. And I started feeding my dogs raw dog food, and they changed completely. They're
Okay.
super healthy, beautiful dogs.
Mhm.
And then I said, wow, this is actually very good. And I
Mhm.
started, uploading videos on TikTok, and it blew up.
Oh.
That's when I started my business. I said, wow, this is working. So I
Uh-huh.
started selling it. And then
Okay.
my clients, they loved it, and they started referring me, and my coworkers, because I had people who worked with me, and now we grew.
Oh.
And a lot of people are now asking me every week.
Mhm.
I sell them by we sell them by kilos here,
Okay.
like 500 grams and stuff like
Mhm.
that.
Mhm.
So it's constant.
So okay. So first of all, have you invested some money on that? No.
Yeah, of course. I had to invest money for the equipment, the machines, the
Oh,
presentation. I do my own I do my own advertisement. I studied
okay.
advertising,
Oh
so
yeah.
I spend money on that.
Mhm.
Thank God. But I still have to pay, someone to give me advice, my advisor. I
Okay.
I have two business partners now because my business is growing and I needed investment, people to
Okay.
invest.
One more thing. If you need any uh, online platform to sell your feed, like
Hmm.
feed, okay, tell me because my brother, me, we are developers. Okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we are making websites. You can see one of our website here. We are providing free tools, SEO tools. You might know about that.
Wow, okay.
Okay.
You guys make
Right.
websites.
Yeah,
Oh, that's cool.
yeah.
Actually, yes, I need a
You can
website.
check it out. Okay, you can check it out.
Yeah.
And now my brother, he's working with international company that
Hmm.
is from Italy, and now he's moving to Portugal.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's moving there. He's expert in his work. So if I recommend you, if you need
Mhm.
any type of help in your technical issues and all, you can contact us. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you. It's because thank you for understanding. A lot of people think that because you have a business, you know everything. And I'm like, no, sometimes technical questions or issues are really hard for me. So
No
I'm like,
problem.
ah.
Actually, there are a lot of like Western people, like from USA, from Mexico, and everywhere. They are connected to my brother, and they trust him a lot. So right now, he's technical head in international company that is B-Mate company from Italy. Italy, I already told you.
Hmm.
Yeah. So now he's moving there.
Wow. And what about you?
Me, I have completed my degree, like in software engineering.
Oh,
I know
wow.
I can make some websites also, but one thing is I'm passionate in sports, right?
Oh, hmm.
Yeah. So I play cricket. You might know about cricket. There would be a
Yeah.
ball and bat. Yeah. So I am going for that. I'm going for professional training. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's cool. How
And
long have you played cricket?
it's been 2 years, but I think I'm very good in it because I'm getting more result in it. In less time.
Hmm.
Yeah. So
Wow.
if like I should try once in my life whatever I want to become. So I'm going for that. So pray for me, okay?
Yeah, of course. I think it's important to go after your dreams,
Yeah.
because if you don't do it, in the end, you're going to regret it. Like,
Hmm.
I should have just gone for it. You
Yeah.
never know.
So
Hopefully, I will pray for you. That's really
yeah.
cool.
Thank you,
Are
thank
you
you.
going to stay in India and practice there,
Uh-huh.
or are you moving abroad?
Maybe I don't know right now. I want to work here because here is more competition, in cricket. Later on, maybe I will come to America. There is a team
Ah, okay.
in America, right? So a lot of Indians are also playing in American team. Yeah.
Wow, okay. And what about your family? Do they
They,
support your?
yeah, they support me a lot now. They said first you should complete your degree. Now I have hopefully have completed my degree, and now I'm going for that.
Wow, that's really good.
Yeah.
So how
So
many days a week do you train?
what?
How much do you train a week? Like how many times a week?
Every day, every day.
Wow, that's
So
really cool.
do you have any social media platform?
Yeah, actually, I do. I have Instagram. For
Okay.
my business, I have Facebook and Instagram. But oh, but we have 20 seconds. So it was really nice meeting you. You can always message me on here.
Okay.
Okay, I hope to talk to you again. I
Yeah.
hope you have a great evening.
Okay. You too.
Bye, Irfan.
Bye.